Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Wrangler windshield wiper arm. First, gather your tools, including a small flathead screwdriver and a 13mm socket wrench. Make sure your Jeep's ignition is off and the wiper arms are in their parked position. It's also a good idea to place a towel or piece of cardboard on your windshield to protect it from accidental scratches during the process. Next, locate the small plastic cap at the base of the wiper arm. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry this cap off, revealing the retaining nut underneath. Once exposed, grab your 13mm socket wrench. Loosen and then completely remove this nut. Be sure to set it aside in a secure spot so it doesn't get lost. With the nut removed, the wiper arm should now be ready to detach. Firmly grasp the arm near its base, where it connects to the post. Apply gentle, consistent upward pressure while wiggling the arm slightly from side to side. This action helps to break the seal and free the arm from the splined post. Remember, avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage. To reinstall, simply align the wiper arm with the splines on the post and push it back into place. Then, reattach and securely tighten the 13mm nut, followed by snapping the plastic cap back on. Test the wipers to ensure they function correctly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.